Claudio, thanks for gifting. Bro, we're trying to catch up and I'm trying to drink my coffee first. Have a blessed day, man. No, you have a blessed day, auntie. The Unfailing, thanks for subbing. Bro, if you're new here too, you don't have to. Hope you're doing good. Yeah, I've been out here since 9 o'clock, it's like 10:40 now. Death Metal Fat Cat. That's a pretty cool name. Brother Death Metal Fat Cat, bro, thank you, brother. You didn't have to as well, but appreciate it. Man, I'm just drinking coffee, there's no talent in that. Gotta have hot CJ. Thank you. Everyone, thank you. So yeah, thank you for gifting 5 subs, brother. So I was saying, I've been out here since 9 o'clock and kia ora Maya. But which Warhammer faction? I have actually never played Warhammer. So I've been sitting out here since 9 o'clock, just looking back over the last few months and how my life has changed because of you guys, and yeah, all I can say really is thank you, and I'll keep grinding day in and day out for you guys. And T-Dog, thank you very much, along with Dylan Guards for giving bits. Thank you guys. But yeah, like I was saying before, just been sitting out here reminiscing about the day we started, and the mass amounts of people that are now part of the whānau or the community that we have made. Yeah, it made me tear up a bit, I'm not gonna lie, just thinking back. And one thing I never forget is that I do it for the love of my culture and just to show you guys and have fun. And yeah, that's all I can say. And once we smash out enough pieces, yeah, I'll be selling some to you guys. Big ones, small ones, yeah. It's just a matter of, I want to try and do it on my own first before I ask other carvers if they have any pieces I could get. Aloha once again, my brother. Hey, mana money. Hey, brother. Blue Fairy, thank you very much, brother. Have a great day, dude. Squiggles! You have a great day too, brother. So I'll just finish this and we'll get underway.